Hi everyone, it's Alex from Risk Academy, and today I wanted to talk about time. And interestingly or ironically enough, the most common excuse I hear risk managers say when I talk about risk management 1, risk management 2, the most common excuse I hear risk management say when they tell me is that they really love risk management 2 idea and they would love to do more risk management 2, but they simply can't. The most common excuse is that they are so busy. They don't have the time to do risk management too. I'm saying ironically because nobody says they don't have the competencies in corporate finance, statistics, and risk modeling, which is actually a pretty fair answer. Most people don't. Most people don't have competencies in decision making, cognitive biases, and proper risk modeling. But no, that's not what people say. People say they're so busy with risk management 1 type activities is that they simply cannot afford to do risk management 2. Now that is simply not true. And over the next few videos I will prove to you how every single element of this ERM type activity of this risk management 1 can be shortened significantly. So timing is not an issue. Having the guts to do something, to change something, to be brave, to learn a new competency, that's the real issue. Let me know what you think underneath this video in the comments. Do subscribe to Risk Academy channel on YouTube. For now, thank you and goodbye.